Ladies and gentlemen, hold on tight, because what you're about to witness will completely change your perception of classic motorcycles. The 2026 Kawasaki Meguro K3 is not just a bike, it's a perfect fusion of retro elegance and modern engineering, a beast with soul, power, and attitude. The moment you lay eyes on this beauty, your heart races, your senses ignite, and you feel an adrenaline surge that demands attention. Its muscular tank, classic retro silhouette, and precise chrome accents make it look like it rode straight out of history and landed in the future. And only here on MA Autos are we exploring every inch of its perfection. Every curve, every detail screams heritage, craftsmanship, and sheer dominance. The fuel tank flows beautifully into the seat, giving it a smooth yet aggressive stance that immediately commands respect. Grip the handlebars and feel the difference. Wide, perfectly positioned, and slightly raised, the handlebar setup gives you full control, an upright posture, and a natural riding feel that's both commanding and comfortable. Switches, mirrors, and grips are intuitively placed, making every maneuver effortless whether you're carving city streets or cruising open roads. The front telescopic forks are tuned for confidence. They absorb bumps like magic, smooth out irregularities, and keep the front wheel planted so you feel connected to the road without harsh jolts. At the rear, dual shock absorbers maintain perfect balance, giving stability even over rough surfaces, potholes, or speed breakers. Together, the handlebars and suspension create a synergy that turns every ride into a thrilling yet controlled experience. Now let's talk engine, the heart of the Meguro K3. The refined, smooth engine delivers powerful, responsive performance that's thrilling but never overwhelming. Every twist of the throttle connects you to pure mechanical satisfaction. The exhaust note resonates with classic retro warmth, yet carries a confident growl that announces your presence on the road. The handling is tight yet forgiving. Lean into corners, and the Meguro K3 responds with precision, keeping you confident and in control. Every detail, from the stitching on the seat to the placement of every bolt, reflects Kawasaki's obsession with perfection. The wheels are perfectly balanced, complementing the suspension to ensure grip, stability, and smooth rides in all conditions. Night or day, city or highway, the Meguro K3 carries a presence that turns heads and commands respect. ABS braking adds an extra layer of control, letting you ride hard with confidence, knowing that stopping power is intelligent, precise, and reliable. This is a bike designed for riders who crave emotion, thrill, and connection in every ride. The combination of classic retro charm with modern engineering makes every ride a statement, every twist of the throttle a celebration, and every corner a chance to feel alive. Color options, finishes, and small details like the handlebar grips, mirrors, and instrument cluster make the Meguro K3 feel premium, purposeful, and beautifully engineered. The seat is sculpted for comfort and control, hugging your body while allowing freedom of movement. The Meguro K3 is a machine that feels alive. It talks to you through the handlebars, responds to your weight shifts, and sings through its engine and exhaust. Whether it's a city commute or a long weekend ride, this bike delivers excitement and confidence in every scenario. Handlebars, suspension, wheels, engine, and brakes all work in harmony, making it one of the most balanced, enjoyable motorcycles you can ride. Kawasaki didn't just make a bike, they created a timeless experience that blends adrenaline, nostalgia, and modern reliability. If you want a ride that electrifies your senses, dominates attention, and delivers pure riding joy, the 2026 Kawasaki Meguro K3 is calling your name. Only on MA Autos do we break it down like this, showing you every detail, every feature, and every moment of connection that makes this bike not just transportation, but an experience, a lifestyle, and a legacy. We are diving straight into the heart of the 2026 Kawasaki Meguro K3, its wheels, handlebars, and suspension, the components that make every ride feel smooth, controlled, and thrilling. First, the handlebars. Kawasaki has engineered these bars perfectly for both comfort and dominance. They're wide, slightly raised, and positioned to give you an upright riding posture that immediately boosts confidence. Every switch, every grip, and every mirror sits exactly where you need it, making handling city traffic effortless while giving you full control at high speeds. You feel connected to the front wheel, almost as if the bike is an extension of your own arms. Now, let's talk suspension, because this is where the Meguro K3 truly shines. Up front, the telescopic forks are tuned to absorb bumps, potholes, and irregular surfaces, keeping the front end stable and responsive. You feel every road detail, but without harsh jolts that fatigue your arms or shoulders. At the rear, the dual shock absorbers deliver perfect balance and stability. Whether you're hitting a speed breaker, a twisty curve, or a rough patch of asphalt, the shocks keep the bike planted and your ride smooth. The combination of front and rear suspension makes every ride feel controlled yet thrilling, giving you confidence to push harder while maintaining comfort. And the wheels. Kawasaki equipped the Meguro K3 with perfectly sized, durable wheels that provide excellent grip on both city roads and highways. The tires are designed to work seamlessly with the suspension, ensuring stability through corners and bumps. Every twist of the throttle translates to direct feedback through the wheels, letting you feel the road and ride with precision. Together with the handlebars and suspension, the wheels complete the riding triangle, giving you a balanced, responsive, and incredibly satisfying experience. In short, the 2026 Kawasaki Meguro K3 isn't just about looking retro-cool. It's engineered to give you control, confidence, and thrill. The handlebars provide perfect command, the shocks soak up the road, and the wheels deliver grip and stability, making every ride feel effortless yet exhilarating. Whether you're cruising city streets or tackling open roads, this bike handles it all with style, precision, and soul. Only on MA Autos do we explore these details, showing you exactly why the Meguro K3 is not just a motorcycle. It's a legacy in motion, a machine that connects you to the road and makes every ride unforgettable.